Hey, wait, what are you doing? If you can't tell from the bags underneath my eyes, I've been working. Hey, Remarkable Lifers, this is KJ. So, I've been working a lot. Y'all have talked, we have listened. So for the last few months, I've been doing a lot of research on different merch companies and stuff like that. And we've come up with something that's really cool and I think pretty unique. And I'm really excited about this and I want to show y'all. This video is not just about merch, but guess what? You guys can create your own stuff on this site. So this is going to be really, really cool. I'm really excited. But so we realized that our merch offerings, we were using Amazon and the offerings were quite limited. I wasn't even, like, some of the quality I wasn't even impressed with, to be honest. And so did a lot of research. And we decided to go with a company called SURFSHARK. And they integrate with YouTube. So whenever you log into our YouTube site, then you'll be able to access our shop from our merch shop from there. You can also go directly to the website, which Craig, during the editing process, will put down here, probably in front of me. And it's also on our website. So I want to do a quick kind of a walkthrough and tell you guys about this, but Black Friday's coming up. There's a 30% off sale on Black Friday. I know, you got to get in close for that, Craig. Again, 30% off. Yeah. And then that's Black Friday. Then on Cyber Monday, there is a week-long sale that goes Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, somewhere. It ends December 1st. Anyways, but it's 15% off plus free shipping. Free shipping. Now, I have to give a little disclaimer here because we're kind of new with this. I don't know if free shipping applies to international shipping from the U.S., but that's the way that the advertising is worked up, is free shipping. The company, they actually pay for the shipping. So whenever you're going through, if you're international outside the U.S., just check and make sure and see if it's coming up free shipping, if there's a disclaimer or not. The other really cool thing is this does ship internationally. So I know you can go to Mexico with it. That was the one I checked. So not sure what all countries it does, but that's really cool. So let's break this down. So here's the website. And it's trulyremarkablelife.myspreadshop.com. And when you log in, you're going to see all kinds of stuff here to help you sort through and find what products you might be looking for. So you've got everything from men's, women's, kids and babies, accessories, all kinds of stuff. But what I want to show you is here are some different collections. So this is going to be the quote series. This is our logos on the front and back of clothing only. There's logos on the front or the back. All merchandise is in there. If you scroll down, though, here to this show all designs, and you click on that button, you can actually see all of the different designs that we have uploaded in here. So down here at the bottom are our traditional logos. Just our Truly Remarkable Life logo and our Go Find Your and the Ask Me About My, which we've had those logos for years. But something that we are starting to do is we're wanting to really get artistic. That was one of the requests from a lot of our subscribers on our merch. And so we're going to start doing what we're calling the City Series. So on the Malecon here in Ajijic is this beautiful painted Ajijic. And so we've taken that, a great picture, and we've created a few different designs using that and put them on t-shirts, coffee mugs, baby bibs, baseball hats, everything. And so we're really excited about that. And coming up, you'll see things like Cancun, Mexico City, Puerto Vallarta. We're going to be creating stuff for all of these wonderful cities here in Mexico that we're traveling to. So then I'm talking to my sister-in-law, Dawn. Yeah, called you out. And you guys probably know Dawn from some of our previous videos. Yeah, she's that really cute, sweet Italian number who's married to my brother-in-law. Wonderful, wonderful. But she suggested a different kind of a thing where the text goes down like the sleeve of a shirt or down the side of the pants. And so we created this. and that goes down the sides of the sleeves and stuff. So that was a really, really cool, really great. Dawn, thank you. I love that design, by the way. And then I think it was a few months ago, we had one of our good friends that we've known for a long time, and also a subscriber. She said that we needed to create some merch that has some of the most common sayings that Craig and I tend to say. So guess what? We did. It's called the Quote Series. And you see some really interesting designs here. Yeah, I literally just said this. So I know that I do that all the time. I literally just said that. So, but you can click on any of these. You can click on any of the designs, and it will take you in to the different products with that design on it. So get in here, play around. We've got a lot of stuff, everything from coffee mugs, baby clothes, mouse pads, coffee mugs, bumper stickers. But one of the coolest little things here are there's little stuffed animals. There's little plushies. They're so adorable. I love the plushies. Okay, but getting to something that is really unique about this shop is here in the upper right hand corner you see this customize tab. The customize tab here allows you to create your own items. So it will pull up the design here, but you can just literally click on that design and then hit delete on your keyboard and it takes the design out. You can come over here to products and choose your product. What is it that you're wanting to design? Let's say that let's do the bear. So there's a cute little bear. Let's say you want to do the bear. And you can choose if you want the front or the back of his shirt. Where do you want the design? So let's put this on the back of his design, and let's say that we want the t-shirt to be blue. So I can choose blue over here, and then I come back over here and I can put text on there if I want. I can pick one of the Truly Remarkable Life designs if I want, or I can go in here and upload my own piece of artwork. So I'm just going to pull something that I have saved here on the computer, and there it is. And you can resize that. So it's a teddy bear with a picture of his little plushy friends from the Spread Shop store. And so, I mean, you can put anything on here. Picture of your grandma, picture of your dog, your own original artwork, whatever you've got. You can create your own t-shirts, coffee mugs, whatever you want to do on here. Just using this simple customized tool, you can go down here, you choose your quantity, you finish the process. I think this is something that's really, really awesome. Also, what's really, really cool is even our designs, whenever you go in and you pick like a shirt or something, there's a customize option. So if you don't like the way that the artwork we created and put on the shirt, if you want it in a different location, you can move it around. You can resize it. You can do different things with it to kind of customize the merchandise that we've created for you. So the website is really easy to use. I mean, I designed all of this stuff, so if I can do that, you can use this. It's very, very simple. It's got all kinds of, it walks you through it. I mean, we all shop online. We all know how to do that. And so get on here and play around, and you'll get it figured out. For Black Friday and Cyber Monday, there will be a big banner on here announcing the sales and all that. So that's really exciting. We're YouTubers. We have a YouTube channel. So this is integrated with our YouTube channel. So here is our YouTube channel. And on our YouTube channel, there is now a tab for store. And when you click on store, it's going to show a selection of products from the Spread Shop store. When you click on one, it's going to take you to the Spread Shop store. Not just for that product. You can go back here and you can search and find anything you want. So it's a really easy way to get to the store, but you can actually just click on that one thing that you found there and add to your cart. So it's really, really cool that way. The other thing that I wanted to show everyone is on our website. Our website, trulyremarkablelife.com. We have our tab for merch. This has been updated to to give you the link to our Spread Shop store. So you can access it from there too. I'm trying to make this really, really simple. Yay! So we're really, really excited about all this. I mean, we talked to a lot of people. We got a lot of input, as you can tell. And Craig has been tirelessly working on some of these designs. You know, I come up with an idea and then he has to creativeness it. You know, I'm the techie person, so he does his artistic and creative stuff to it and makes it look pretty. Yeah, Craig, nod your head. So, in a nutshell, that's it. We have new merch. There is a big Black Friday sale going on this Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. And then Cyber Monday sale actually starts on Saturday. So, get on there, look down below, and get on to the Spread Shop store. Go to it through YouTube or our website. Get on there, buy you some merch. This stuff is like really, really cool. It's a lot of fun. I'm actually going to set myself a budget, and I'm fixing to go shop. And just remember, if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. Bye.
He's giggling. Why is he giggling?
I don't know. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood.
Weirdo. Anyway.
No, I've been working on this for so long, and I finally got it all launched. I'm happy.
I am very proud of him. That's what I wanted to say. KJ has been working tirelessly on this. He really is very technically inclined, and I'm very proud of him for doing all of this. And I wanted to let everybody know that when you purchase from our website, you actually, a portion of it does go to us. So we're just fair warning, but that money or anything we get from it allows us to continue to create content. I know I sound like public television, don't I? But that's what this is. Basically, this is public television.
Do we need to have a membership drive soon?
Yeah. YouTube is basically public television. You're funded by the people who view you, watch you, like you, share, comment, all of those things. And the advertising gives you tiny, tiny, tiny residuals. It's pennies, trust me. So we do appreciate everybody who's done this, and we tried to make this as fun as possible so that you can have fun with it. And we really do believe in the community that's becoming a part of our channel for our Remarkable Lifers. So thank you for following along with us. And one more time, if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.
Thank you.